Hi, in front of me is Oppo A95 and today I would like to show you how you can add an alarm clock. Firstly, open Clock app and choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now before creating new alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right one and select Settings. Then adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to. When you're done, go back and tap on this plus at the bottom to add new alarm. Firstly, set up an hour. Then decide if you wish to choose Ring Once or Custom. After tapping on Custom, you can pick days of the week by tapping on the ones that you wish to exclude. Now click on Alarm Name. Label your alarm however you wish to if you wish to, and click on the check mark at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Then select Ringtone, tap on Allow, and choose Allow in Statement of Use pop-up. Now just select the best ringtone option for your alarm by clicking on Weather Adaptive on this device and selecting Song from your smartphone, or tapping on Spotify. Now you can log in to Spotify app and then use music from it. If you don't like to do any of that, scroll down and apply one of those system ringtones. When you finished, click on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm, and click on Snooze. Now you can manage snooze by clicking on the switcher next to it, and also adjust it by choosing how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Finally, go back and save your alarm thanks to this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To switch it off completely, use this switcher next to it. Then pick one of the available options. You can turn it back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you wish to, you can also click on your alarm, make some changes, and then save them by clicking on the same check mark. Lastly, to delete your alarm completely, just hold it, click on Delete at the bottom, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!